So let's talk a little bit about staff policies. There's things that you need to do, like clocking in and clocking out. There's procedures for asking for time off. There are phone numbers to use to reach out when you're ill or can't make it to work for whatever reason. We also have hours of operation and a coming and leaving protocol to clock in and clock out. I generally run the payroll, and I don't really check to see if somebody is clocked in or if they've missed clocking out. Of course, if you forget, we can make that up, and sometimes that means, waiting for those hours for the next payroll cycle if I've already run the payroll. So please just be attentive around clocking in, and then of course at the end of the day, clocking out, so we can fully log your hours and be sure to get you a correct check at the end of every 2 weeks. These are the hours of operation. We expect most folks to be in around 9. And then of course, if you're leaving the building, please let the front desk know. And if you're gonna be gone for more than 5 or 10 minutes, then we expect you to take a break and clock out. And that also includes if you're going off-site for lunch. Sometimes folks will just eat lunch in the kitchen and maybe listen for the phone. And of course, you can stay clocked in for that time. Please be aware that some clients may run a little late, and we just always want to give them the benefit of the doubt and hope that they call. It's important if somebody is a little bit late to maybe try and reach out and get an idea of what the delay is or what's causing a delay. And then there are times when clients go over our schedule closed hours. And, really try and organize your clients around a schedule that works for you. If a client wants to stay a little late and you're okay with that, then, of course we can make that work. So time off is a big deal. There's, of course, times that everybody needs to travel and be with their family and do a number of other things. And we have a formal system of requesting time off that goes to the manager. So please take a look at this note and be sure that you communicate well with your manager around time off. We want to try and schedule this as far in advance as possible. And that's probably at least 2 weeks if that can work. And just discuss that with your manager, who can give you an idea of what she expects around requesting time off. So obviously emergencies come up. We all have different things in our lives that happen, and we just want to make sure that we have good communication around those incidents. So we have a protocol here, call the manager, of course, and let her know. You can call a coworker if you can't get a hold of the manager. And then of course you can call me anytime and I can help handle some of those situations. So just realize that we're all here to help each other out, but we also want to be cognizant of our clients and to really give them the best possible experience. It's very difficult at times to reschedule people. Everybody's busy. And so, creating a situation where we have to reschedule a number of people is not the most beneficial use of our time.